I've made this video to fill a gap while I'm traveling in Asia for a couple of months. These guys are covering these motorbike seats really quickly. It's a technique you could use on any odd shaped seat, so just take a look. The first seat cover they'd already made when I got here, but the second cover will give you a bit more of an idea of how to do your own seat. They'd also covered the pink bar stool. He's using a cheese grater to smooth the rough bits of foam off. The barrier cloth that the guy covering the first seat is using serves two purposes. One, it helps ease the top cover over, but the main use is that it stops the top cover rubbing on the foam and wearing it thin. This shop is in Ho Chi Minh City in Vietnam. So just take a look at the tools and the techniques. These guys are pretty fast. They've been doing this a long while. I'm not going to voice over for most of this because it's pretty self-explanatory. So just watch and enjoy. Excellent! Wow! That's great. The fabric they're using is a vinyl. I didn't ask if it was fire retardant. I don't know whether in Vietnam they use fire retardant fabrics, but certainly in the UK we would need to use it. So you need to check wherever you are in the world what the rules and regulations are regarding fire retarding for vehicles or for chairs at home.
Tiếng luôn, gọi tiếng luôn ở ngoài luôn. Nó là TikTok của bà luôn á. Không có trên TikTok. Quảng cáo cho tiệm mình luôn. Phải làm thêm trang cá nhân. Biết bạn. Rồi, biết luôn á.
Note as he starts to staple that he's working around exactly the same as we've done before with chairs. So he's putting a couple of staples either end. He then puts a couple opposite each other in the centre, and then he's working around section by section on the different quarters. Note how he's constantly turning this seat over to smooth the fabric into place and to make sure that it's all running level. I won't be making any more travel videos on upholstery for a while, but if you'd like to see more videos and tutorials on re-upholstery and soft furnishing, please like, subscribe and hit the bell to be notified. Thanks for watching and good luck with your project.